Okay. So here acid halides and acid anhydrides on adding water produce carboxylic acids. Okay. Now, and similarly, esters also on hydrolysis. Ester on hydrolysis produce carboxylic acid. Okay. Earlier we discussed this one in preparation of alcohols, and amides on hydrolysis produce carboxylic acids plus ammonium. Here in this case, generally esters and amides are less reactive when compared to anhydrides and acid halides. That's why acid medium or basic medium is required. That means acid catalyzed and base catalyzed hydrolysis is possible for the esters and amides. So here acid or base is required for the hydrolysis process. Okay. So that is. So first here we will discuss hydrolysis of esters. Okay. Hydrolysis of ester. Okay. Here you need to be discuss more about the ester hydrolysis. Now in ester hydrolysis, that means in ester compound, okay, this bond is the acyl carbon oxygen bond. Acyl carbon oxygen bond. That is known as the acyl carbon oxygen bond. Okay, and this one is the alkyl oxygen bond. Alkyl oxygen bond. Okay, this bond is the alkyl oxygen bond. This bond is the acyl oxygen bond. This is acyl carbon oxygen. Alkyl carbon, so alkyl oxygen. Okay, so first of all, in acid medium, okay, in acid medium, for suppose I am taking simple molecule CH3C double bond O, a C2H5. Okay, C2H5. Already you know this one. Ester hydrolysis. In ester hydrolysis, carboxylic acids and alcohols are produced. Carboxylic acids and alcohols are produced. So esters are less reactive. So what is the role of using acid in this hydrolysis process? So generally that acid H plus attacks on the oxygen. Okay. So that increase the magnitude of the positive charge on the carbon. So it is readily attacked by the nucleophile. Okay, just wait. I am filling the ink in marker. Okay, that's it. See this one. Here H plus, first acid medium. Protonation of this oxygen takes place. So here CH3C double bond O H plus OC2H5. Okay. So now here next step is nucleophile, that is water. So because of this positively charged oxygen, here this one acting as strong donate with the drawing, that increase more magnitude of the positive charge. Then the pi electrons readily transferred. This one positive charge increases, so this nucleophile attacks on this one. So here CH3C OH, here OC2H5, and this one OH, here H plus. So generally ethyl is a plus side group. Ethyl is a plus side group. So around this oxygen at a more electron density is located. So that's why here the more electron density means here that is the more basic. So proton transfer takes place. Okay. So here CH3C OH, here OH O, C2H5 H here plus. Okay. And the next here, the leaving of this ethyl alcohol. After leaving, it is converted to ethyl alcohol. That is a neutral molecule, so it is a good leaving group. So here then this one carries a positive charge. Okay, then it carries a positive charge. CH3C OH here OH plus. Now in this case there are two possibilities. Here either this lone pair can form the pi bond. So CH3C double bond O plus here OH. Or this lone pair can form the pi bond. So here CH3C OH double bond OH plus. Okay. So now here by the loss of proton H plus, so here CH3C OH double bond O plus CH3C double bond OH. Either one is formed. How to distinguish these two? Here by labeling this oxygen atom. For example, this is O18 and this one 18 and this one 18, this one 18 and this one 18, this is 18 and this is 8, sorry. Yes, this is 18. So this is a 18 and this is a 8. So these two products are possible. The key step is this one. Either OH can form the pi bond. It is ester hydrolysis in acid medium. Okay. So see this. So in this case, it is a hydrolysis of the ester. Okay. No? In this case, either product is formed. That is the main point. Now here, what is the name of this mechanism? Name of this ester hydrolysis. Okay. So here a particular name is given for this mechanism. So in this reaction, which bond breaking is involved? This is the acyl carbon oxide. So here acyl oxygen bond breaking takes place. Okay, na? Acyl oxygen bond breaking. And here this reaction carried out in the presence of acid medium A. And which bond breaking? Acyl oxygen bond breaking. So here AAC, AAC and here 2. What is this 2? In this case here, the attacking of the nucleophile is the rate determining step. Attacking of the nucleophile is the rate determining step. In this rate determining step, how many molecules are involved? Water molecule is nothing but nucleophile and this ester compound. 2 are involved, so here 2. Is nothing but molecularity. Molecularity of this reaction 2. Okay, like biomolecular, unimolecular. Your molecularity 2, water molecule, nucleophile and this ester, so 2. So molecularity 2, AAC2. This mechanism is named as a AAC. Okay, it is ester hydrolysis. Now here for suppose CH3 C double bond O C2H5 here H2O 18 in the presence of the acid medium. Okay, write the product. Of course mechanism same and write the product. For suppose CH3 C double bond O OC2H5 18 and here hydrolysis. Okay, write the product. And next the cyclic ester on hydrolysis. Okay, write the product. And next one more reaction. There is also cyclic ester on a hydrolysis. Okay, write the product including stereochemistry. Okay, that is ester hydrolysis. This is one example. Another mechanism also is there. We will discuss. Okay. So next example, it is another type of compound. It is also hydrolysis, okay, but a different compound. So here I am taking the sterically hindered compound. This is tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl, and C double bond O, OET. Okay, it is sterically hindered. In this case, H plus and H2O. H plus and H2O. So in this one, protonation takes place on the alkyl oxygen bond. Protonation takes place on the alkyl oxygen bond because the steric factor. Okay, here protonation is not takes place. So protonation on the alkyl oxygen bond. Now here this bulky group simply named as a P. Okay, for our convenience, P, C double bond O, O, H here, ethyl alcohol plus. Okay, and next step is the leaving of this ethyl alcohol. So P, C double bond O plus and ethyl alcohol. Now it is attacked by the water molecule followed by deprotonation. So we will get the P, C double bond O, OH. Okay. So that is that. That is the compound. So now here acid medium A, and which bond breaking takes place? Acyl oxygen bond breaking. Okay. This acyl carbon oxygen bond breaking. So AC, and here what is the molecularity of this one? Here in this case the formation of this carbocation is the rate determining step. Okay. It is an acyl carbocation. Acyl. Hello. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. I am getting calls from your Janardhan sir. Okay. So in this case here, acyl ion is formation is the rate determining step. So this step involves only one molecule. So molecularity 1, AAC1. Okay. AAC1. That my condition is the AAC1. Okay. For suppose another example, again sterically hindered. In this case CH3, CH3 and CH3, C double bond O, ET, here H plus and H2O 18, H2O 18. In this case generally water molecule directly attacks on this one, deprotonation takes place. So this OH from H2O, that OH from the H2O. Okay, if you take 18, that 18 only present in C double bond O group. Okay, there is no change like whatever the example just to discuss. Okay, so in this case again, this that 18 present in OH. Okay, you can write the product. So this is one example. And next, CH3C double bond O. Here CH3 and CH3 acid medium hydrolysis. So now here protonation on this oxygen takes place. Okay, protonation on the oxygen. So CH3C double bond OH plus oxygen, and this is tertiary butyl. This is tertiary butyl. So now next here, after protonation of this one, bond breaking takes place. Okay, bond breaking takes place. How this bond breaking takes place? Here by the breaking of this bond, okay, here CH3 COH plus and this one becomes a O minus. Now this carbon carries a positive charge. Generally here this tertiary carbocation is more stable. Tertiary carbocation is more stable. That's why alkyl oxygen bond breaking takes place. Alkyl oxygen bond breaking takes place because tertiary carbocation is more stable. Whenever this alkyl group is bulky in nature, this type of mechanism takes place. Whenever this alkyl group is bulky in nature, this type of mechanism. The different mechanism that depends on the structure of the substrate. So now here in this case, reformation of pi bond, then here transfer of electrons. So CH3C OH double bond O. Okay, that is the fixed compound. Single compound is positive. Now this tertiary carbocation attacked by the water molecule followed by deprotonation. So we will get the tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. It is a one type of mechanism. Okay. Whenever this alkyl group can give a stable carbocation, this type of mechanism, that means hydrolysis proceed with this type of mechanism. So in this case again acid medium. Okay. This reaction takes place in acid medium. Now here which bond breaking takes place? Alkyl oxygen bond breaking. So Al. Al means here alkyl oxygen bond breaking. And here what is the molecularity of this? Here formation of this carbocation and this carboxylic acid is a rate determining step. The dissociation of this compound is a rate determining step. In this case only one molecule is involved, so molecularity 1. So it is named as a AAL1. Okay, AAL1. Okay, so ASC2, ASC1, AAL1. That is. Now here we can write the products of these reactions. CH3C double bond O, here phenyl, CH3 and here H. This one on treating with H plus and H2O, 18. Okay, write the product. And next another example, CH3C double bond O, tertiary butyl. This one is the 18 and here H plus and H2. Okay. So in this case from this one only single product is possible. It is ester hydrolysis in acid medium. Okay. Ester hydrolysis in acid medium. Okay. We will discuss the ester hydrolysis in basic medium. Okay. So in next class we will discuss. Okay. We shall complete the ester hydrolysis. Okay. In basic medium. In basic medium. Just two examples. CH3C double bond O, OC2H5, simple ester compound in basic medium. Okay. So then generally in basic medium, it is the product. Okay. So how this reaction proceeds? So generally here, this OH minus is more nucleophilic. In case of the acid medium, protonation takes place. But in this case, OH minus is strong nucleophile, directly attacks on this. So CH3C double O minus OC2H5 and this one OH. Okay, next reformation of pi bond, leaving of this one. So here CH3C double bond OH, okay, OH plus O minus C2H5. And then here immediately proton transferred. Okay, this ethoxide ion is a strong base. Okay, ethoxide ion is a strong base that remove the proton from the acid. So product is CH3C double bond O minus here C2H. Okay, that is the product. In this case, the OH minus attacking is the rate determining step. OH minus nucleophile attacking on this carbon is the rate determining step. In this rate determining step here two are involved. One is the nucleophile, one is the ester molecule. So molecularity is 2. Molecularity 2. Okay. And then next here, which bond breaking takes place? Acyl oxygen bond breaking. Acyl carbon and oxygen bond breaking. So your mechanism of this reaction is named as a basic medium AAC2. Basic medium acyl oxygen bond breaking and molecularity 2. Okay. So that is it. Next here, another type of example. For example here, this alkyl group is bulky in nature. CH3 and this CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. This one OH minus and H2. OH minus and H2. Here in this case here, this OH minus nucleophile cannot attack on this carbon because this group is a bulky group. Okay, this group is a very bulky group. So OH minus cannot attack. So that's why here in this case, this OH minus attacks on this carbon. This is a ethyl. So CH3 and CH2 CH3. Okay. So in this case here OH minus attacks on this carbon, leaving out this group. So direct OH minus nucleophile attacks on the alkyl carbon. So in this case here it is represented as a P, just say P, SC double bond O, and here O minus plus OH CH2 CH3. Okay, here carboxylate ion and alcohol. Here also carboxylate ion and alcohol, but mechanism is different. So here what is the mechanism? What is the name of this mechanism? Here basic medium, and which bond breaking takes place? Alkyl oxygen bond breaking. So Al. And what is the molecule of this reaction? So here ester and nucleophile attacking both. That means this in this step here two are involved. One is the nucleophile and one is the ester molecule. So it is a molecularity 2. So BAL2. Here BASE2. Okay. So it is the ester hydrolysis. So based on the substrate here, the mechanism is changed. Based on the substrate, mechanism is changed. Okay. That means it is a SN2 type attacking. It is a SN2 type attack. If it is a chiral carbon, inversion takes place. If it is a chiral carbon, inversion takes place because attacking from the back side. Okay, write down this one. Okay, just the reactivity of the esters in hydrolysis. Reactivity of the esters in hydrolysis. Alkali hydrolysis and acid medium hydrolysis. Alkali hydrolysis and acid medium hydrolysis. Reactivity of esters in alkali medium hydrolysis. Okay, see this one. First, suppose CH3C double bond O, C2H5. Okay, and CH3C double bond O, this is pH. So which is more reactive in ester hydrolysis? Actually CH3CO, CH3CO. Here OC2H5, here OPH. Now which is a better leaving group? This one is the O minus CH2 CH3 and O minus phenyl means this. Okay, which is a good leaving group actually. So now here ethyl alcohol and phenol, which is a more acidic generally? Phenol is the more acidic. So what is the so conjugate base is the weaker base. Phenol more acidic, conjugate base is the weaker base. So weak base is the good leaving group. So it is a more reactive. Okay. First suppose here A CH3 C double bond O, this benzene, B CH3 C double bond O, this one NO2, C CH3 C double bond O, CH3. Okay, which is a more reactive in ester hydrolysis. Here leaving groups are different. Which is a good leaving group? So in this case here O minus here pH. This one O minus NO2 and O minus CH. Actually, which is a good leaving group? It is a good leaving group because corresponding acid is a stronger acid. This one NO2. Here CH3. Corresponding acid is a phenol. So phenol and paraquisar and paranitrophenol, which is the more acidic? This is the more acidic. So conjugate base is the strong base. And between these two, which is the more acidic? Phenol is the more acidic because acidic nature decreased by the donating group, that is methane. Okay. So stronger acid next and weaker acid. So its conjugate base is a strong base. That's why it is a bad leaving group. So by the presence of bad leaving group, reactivity is very less. So here, which is the more reactive compound? B, A, and C. That is the ester hydrolysis. Okay, this leaving group must be weak base. Weak base are the good leaving groups. Okay. So basically is decided by the consideration of the acidic nature of corresponding compounds. Stronger acid because of the withdrawing group, weaker acid because of the donating group. Okay. So that's it. Or suppose reactivity order of these compounds. CH3O, this one phenyl. B, this one NO2. This one CH3, D, pH, and this one O. Okay. What is the reactivity of these compounds in ester hydrolysis? Okay, that is about the ester hydrolysis. Okay, we will meet tomorrow.